Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you the fuse box location on my Chrysler 300M. Mine's a 2002, but this should be the same on the 1998 to 2002 years, and it should be really similar on the years on either side of that. There's two different fuse boxes in this car. Let's go ahead and take a look at the first one here. All right, guys, here's your first one here. It's on the driver's side. Before you do any servicing in here, you do want to disconnect your negative battery cable, which is right over here. You're just going to unscrew that and make sure it's disconnected before you do anything inside the fuse box. And then to get the fuse box open, you're just going to squeeze the tabs like it says and pull the cover off. Let's get a closer look at the cover so you can see which fuses are in here. All right, guys, here are all the different fuses and relays inside of this first fuse box. Let's go ahead and show you where the second fuse box location is at. All right, guys, the second one is right behind this access panel here. It's got a little place for you to grab. It's got 3 clips that hold it on. If you can get one of them out and then just disconnect the other 2 there, and then this just kind of wiggles out. It's held on by the edge there. Let's go ahead and set this one off to the side for a second. All right, guys, let's get a closer look at what's behind that access panel. More fuses back here, and same thing, before you do anything with these fuses, before you replace any or take any out, make sure that you do disconnect the negative battery cable. Some of those in the back look like they'd be pretty hard to get to if you needed to. But yeah, this is how you access all this stuff. And then on the back of the cover, the access cover, it's not as easy to read as the other one because the other one was like white painted what they were, but this tells you what all the different fuses and everything behind here are. There are the 3 different clips too that hold it on. All right, let's go ahead and get this access cover put back on. All right, guys, and then to get the access cover back on, we're just going to take the 90-degree angle there, and we're going to get it behind this piece here. The top should be just below this little lip, and you'll see when you have it in the right place, it kind of wants to already go back in, and then you're just going to push the clips into place. 1, 2, 3. All right, there we go. All right, guys, well, that was it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks again.